In this tutorial, we'll show you how to update your Gmail password on a desktop, whether it's a PC or a laptop. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. First, open Gmail. Keep in mind that since Gmail is part of Google, changing your Gmail password will also change your entire Google account password. You can do this whether you know your current password or have forgotten it. To begin, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can do this either in Gmail or directly in Google, then select Manage your Google account. Next, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Security. Scroll down until you find the section titled How you sign into Google. Here, look for the password option and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your current password. If you don't remember it, click Try Another Way for alternative recovery options. Once you've entered your current password, you can create a new one, confirm it, and then click Change Password. Confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully updated your Gmail password.